Who are you two?
Lincoln and Hudson.
Lincoln and Hudson. What's your project?
Make it
We're growing a state fair
giant-
worthy pumpkin.
No,
We
a
hope it will be
giant.
big as our house.
You wanted the pumpkin to be as big as a house.
Giant.
Giant what, Hudson?
Giant as a blue whale.
Yeah, giant.
Okay,
whale.
so you're trying to grow state fair worthy pumpkins. Have you ever grown a state fair worthy pumpkin before?
Nope. But
What do you think your odds are? Pretty good or pretty bad?
pretty good.
Are you pretty confident?
Yeah,
I'm pretty
good.
confident. I
I'm
want
pretty
to make it like
a pumpkin.
8
seed.
stories tall.
8 stories tall.
I
Okay.
want to
Or
make it
Do you
one-
remember how
Four.
big the biggest pumpkin was for the youth competition at the state fair last year? How many pounds?
I think it was around 65.
65 pounds?
Yeah.
No, 65 pounds is not the state fair pumpkin last year. The biggest
25?
800.
45?
800 pounds last year while on this youth competition. But second place was like 240.
Oh.
How many pounds do you think you guys can get to this year?
A thousand.
You're hoping for 1,000 pounds?
Yeah, a thousand.
1000. 1000.
Hudson,
start
do you have a name for your pumpkin?
Little bear.
You
Little
should
bear.
change that to
Hudson-
Big Bear.
You know what? Yeah, it might have to be a big bear. We'll see how it grows. What's your name going to be, Lincoln?
Pumpkin pie.
Pumpkin pie. So
I don't like pumpkin pie.
what is our supply list for
Christmas
right now
pie.
for our project?
pumpkin
make it-
seeds
Pumpkin
and
seeds?
these and these
Okay.
and cups.
Yeah.
Okay.
You would need
This
bag,
one's mine.
A bag.
a paper towel,
I'm gonna steal your page.
one of these.
Okay. So what is the first step? What are you doing first?
So first we're
We're
gonna
gonna
file it.
What part of it do you file?
Like the
edge.
edges.
The edges.
Yeah.
What part do you not file?
And we do not file
File
this. We do
the
not
tip.
file this.
Or this.
Yeah, we
Yep.
do not file this
This
or
is
that.
right
What
there,
is
right
filing
outside
going to
also.
do?
It's gonna get the sides like white.
Oh, you want the sides to look a little more white?
Yeah.
Why are we filing though? What does filing do to the seed?
It just like it helps it like
Break out of its shell.
break
so
out
it
of
can,
its shell. Like,
so it can like
like
go-
guys like
so it
like,
can grow
guys, like
faster.
this.
So it can
and
grow
bigger.
faster.
Guys like this.
Like that.
Like
Okay.
this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So why don't you start filing? Lincoln, you file a little bit first, and then you let Hudson file. You can use either side of that file.
Yeah.
Hudson, how big do you think your pumpkin's gonna grow this year?
50 pounds.
2,550 pounds.
Yeah.
How are you gonna lift that?
We might need some help.
We'll gather up everybody in the people in the entire world.
Pay attention to what you're doing so you don't file too far, Lincoln.
Yeah, you do not want bend these.
Nope, you don't want to bend it.
Make sure you do not like.
Yeah, you don't want to break the tip off.
Yeah, we don't. Or else you'll see the seed.
Okay.
That'll be too early.
So kind of would be a head start.
No, it won't. It just,
Yeah,
I'm kidding.
Your seed would
Would
die.
immediately die.
it would immediately die.
Yeah.
Can I file the bottom?
Lincoln,
Nope.
Lincoln,
How much of it have you filed? Can I see it? Can Hudson take a turn
Mm.
filing?
Okay.
So I see.
Pumpkin pie.
That looks pretty good. Okay. Lincoln, why don't you take both of your cups and go put a little bit of water in each of them, okay?
You want to file it soft.
Oh, did you want to do yours?
No, why don't
No.
No.
you can? Okay, that's fine. Lincoln, you can do yours.
So let's look at this. See it?
I see it.
See it growing?
Is it growing already?
No. No.
How long do you think it's going to take for it to sprout?
Like 10 days.
10 days. How much work do you think this is going to be?
Really hard.
Really hard.
So you might as well take a break in the 9th day.
On the 9th day, you can take a break.
Yeah.
What makes the 9th day special for a break?
Because it just should be, because you might be tired, like.
What do you want?
And I'm just 5 and my brother is 8.
You're just 5 and your brother's 8, and you think you guys can grow state fair worthy pumpkins. Have you grown big pumpkins before?
pretty big.
Pretty big.
Yeah. They're not even giant pumpkins.
They weren't even giant pumpkins. Okay, you've got water in yours.
Oh, come on. I could have just put this water to there.
No, that water's ice water, so I probably wouldn't do that.
Yeah, it might.
Okay, is yours almost filed all the way now?
Nope. I just need to do it a little bit more.
A little bit more? Okay, make
Yeah,
sure
like-
you don't file that tip where it ends.
Yeah. Yeah, see this? You do not really want to make a big hole.
Yep, you don't want to make a big hole there.
You just don't want to rip it.
You're just trying to make it easier for the water to absorb, right?
Yeah, just like, so the water can be like coming out a little.
Okay,
Oh, that's bad. So,
okay.
And that's
So
why
you
try
got-
to be fast.
That's okay. You've got your cups labeled for their first step. So you've got
Alright, bye.
pumpkin pie
pie.
and little bear.
Little bear.
Okay. Lincoln, is yours filed enough to put it in the water now?
I think that we
Do you remember how long we're going to soak it in the water?
A day?
No, a lot less than a day.
55.
55 minutes?
50
About-
hours?
About an hour is right. So
Guys,
55 minutes
guys,
is pretty
guys,
close. Okay.
You do not want to really like squish it as hard as you can.
That's a good idea. Okay, put them in the water.
I'm just going to do
And then
one
we're going to
last-
come back. Oh, you're going to file just a little more? Okay. So we're going to let them soak. And we'll come back in an hour and do the next step, right?
Yep.
Yep.
Okay. Is yours ready to go in the water, Lincoln?
Yep. What do I do?
Just put it right in the water. Perfect. Good work.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. For us, it's been an hour. Is it for you? It
It's
kind of
been-
just been a second. So
Yeah.
we kind of did some
Like-
super cool computer G stuff.
Yeah,
to
like
do.
speed up.
Yeah, for you as and for us, I took a bath.
And I did a really like cool pro house.
Cool.
Yeah.
So what happened in the last hour?
These got a little bigger.
Yeah,
If
these
you
got a
can
little
tell,
bigger.
yeah, see?
It got a little bit fatter.
Okay, let's hurry.
Okay. So what's the steps now that we're going to do?
We're gonna take them out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Put in.
Out of the water.
Okay. And then what are you going to do with them once they're out of the water?
We're gonna wrap them up in these sort of like napkins.
Okay.
Boom, boom, boom,
Alright.
boom, boom. Now we're gonna put them in here. And if you don't have good memory like me, mine is pumpkin pie, remember?
Yours is going to
Pie.
be named pumpkin pie.
Pumpkin pie. I feel like Hudson should change him to Biggie Bear. Big Bear. So you should definitely change this. Yeah, because then everybody will
So
see-
now that
Should
the
be big
okay,
pie.
now that the pumpkin
It should
seeds
be big pie.
okay, now that the pumpkin seeds are all wrapped up in their cozy little paper towels,
Yep. There's
now what's going to happen? What are we going to do next?
We're gonna wait.
We're gonna put them in a hot pad, and if you want to see that, we will show you that if you want to see it. That's a bit.
Okay, they're going to go on a hot pad.
Yeah. They're gonna
How
go-
long are they going to go on the hot pad?
I think 24 hours.
Okay. And what are we
for
going to
the
do at
night?
24 hours?
Check them.
And what are you checking for?
If it got a little bigger.
If it got bigger or if it started to
Hatch.
hatch?
Yeah, like hatch out with seeds.
Hatch out of its seed?
Or
Also known as sprout?
sprout.
Okay. So,
So if you want to see that, just be ahead.
just speed ahead.
Yeah.
Okay.
See
I like
it
this
If
plan.
you want to see it, like hatch.
Okay.
We'll do more of that computer stuff for you because I know we do not have enough time to make it for the entire night.
You know that people don't want to watch your seed bag for the whole night?
Okay.
That sounds like a good plan.
And I want if